Now this figure 18-41 deals with illustrating that an instantaneous trip circuit breaker and an approved combination starter can be used as a disconnecting means in accordance with 430.109A4. But notice that in sizing the setting of the instantaneous trip circuit breaker, then we would look at 430.52B, table 430.52, and 430.52C3, exception 1, if we needed to do so. And then, of course, notice the circuit breaker that's in the panel board would be sized by 430.52C1, round down size, or the exception 1, if you applied it, would be the round up size. But the percentages that you'd use for that circuit breaker is 250%, that you would select in the last column of table 430.52. So all this is showing is the disconnect in accordance with 430.109A4, where an instantaneous trip circuit breaker could be used as a disconnecting means, and that's what this figure 18-41 is illustrating.